In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoom account. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to Google Zoom. So you can just type in Zoom right there like that, and it will be zoom.us. You can see that right here, Zoom video conferencing. So you're going to click on that right there, and it should look like this. It'll open up this page, and then you can go up here in the top right hand corner and hit sign up, it's free. So you're going to hit that, and you're going to have to enter in your information. And then enter in your email and hit sign up. So then it'll send an email to your email account that you use to sign up there. You're going to have to log into your email and confirm it to begin using Zoom. So I'm going to go and do that right now. Okay, so then the email from Zoom looks like this, and I'm just going to hit activate account right here, this blue button. It also gives you an option to paste this link into your browser. So you could paste that in, and that's another way to activate it, but the easiest way is just to hit that button right there, and then it brings you back to Zoom. So you can answer these questions, and then you're in. So it says, my account has been successfully created. Please list your name and create a password to continue. So this name that you type in here is the name that will come up on your screen when you are Zooming with someone. So you want to make it like your name. You can also put your pronouns in there, which can help people, especially in a class, just know what you like to go by and respect that. All right, so I'm gonna skip this step, and then you can either start a meeting here or you can just hit go to your account. So now the Zoom account is made, and it's pretty simple. You just go through all the steps.